Let's talk about the latest launched VIVO smartphone X100 Pro. Now let's talk about the specification of this smartphone. Firstly, talk about the display of this smartphone. This phone features with 1.5K 8T LTPO AMOLED curved display, with 6.78-inch Full HD Plus punch hole display. Resolution of 1260 by 2800 pixels, 20:9 aspect ratio, approximately 93% screen to body ratio. Approximately 452 ppi pixel density, 3000 nits peak brightness, 120 Hz refresh rate, and with scratch-resistant glass protection. And now talk about the camera of this smartphone. The smartphone with triple camera setup on the rear that includes 50 megapixel Sony IMX989 OIS 1-inch main camera, along with 50 megapixel Samsung JN1 15mm ultra-wide-angle camera, with the 50 megapixel OV64B 100mm periscope telephoto lens OIS SAPO certification, support 4.3x optical zoom camera, features with Zeiss optics, Zeiss T lens coating. For selfies it has 32 megapixel Samsung GD2 front camera, supports up to 8K ultra high definition video shooting and up to 1080p slow motion video shooting. For the software, the handset turns on Android 14 operating system, based on exclusive optimized version of FunTouch OS 14 or Origin OS 4 screen on top the device. Under the hood, the phone CPU is octa-core 3.25 GHz single-core Cortex-X4 plus 2.85 GHz tri-core Cortex-X4 plus 2 GHz quad-core Cortex-A720, powered by MediaTek Dimensity 9300 chipset, paired with a Mortalis G720MC 12 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone plugs with 16 GB of LPDDR5X RAM, and 512 GB of UFS 4.0 onboard storage, and the fourth storage variant with 16 GB of LPDDR5T RAM and 1 TB of UFS 4.0 onboard storage. No micro SD card slot. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 164.1 by 75.28 by 8.91 or 9.1 mm, and it weighs around 221 or 225 grams, and the color options Cinnabar Night Black, White Moonlight, Sunset Orange, Star Trail Blue colors to see in this smartphone, and the device comes backed by a massive 5400 mAh battery, with 100-watt fast charging, 50-watt wireless charging support. Additionally, the smartphone also features in-display fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication, with facial recognition. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, tri-band Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.4, GPS L1 plus L5, USB Type-C audio jack, with stereo speakers, USB Type-C 3.2 charging port, with NFC, IR blaster for remote control, and with IP68 dust and water resistant. So now let's have a look at the pricing details of the smartphone. The VIVO X100 Pro has been priced 12 GB plus 256 GB storage variants at 4,999 Chinese yuan, and around $686 US, while the 16 GB plus 256 GB storage variants at 5,299 Chinese yuan, and around $726 US, while the 16 GB plus 512 GB storage variants at 5,499 Chinese yuan, and around $755 US, while the 16 GB plus 1 TB storage variants at 5,999 Chinese yuan, and around $822 US. Conclusion. So what do you guys think of this VIVO X100 Pro smartphone? Do let us know in the comments section below, and subscribe for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.